and our Excellence in Innovation award winners for 2021 are SwitchDin. And the award will be accepted tonight by Andrew Mears. SwitchDin, say the judges, enables virtual power plants and microgrids by creating a common language for different brands of products such as inverters, batteries, and then managing those assets to meet a range of energy goals, all while bringing a monitoring and control platform to end users. SwitchDin is already playing a critical role in energy transition by making distributed energy resources such as solar PV and battery storage smart, visible, and controllable. SwitchDin has a validated product with strong early sales, an impressive partner list, and is paving the way for the integration of more renewables into the world's energy system. Ready for tomorrow. Congratulations, Andrew.
Wow, well, thank you so much. That's amazing. I'm just so inspired, and just to be part of this worthy group, I mean, that's just amazing. Thank you so much. So, look.
No, go on, please.
Look. You know, I'm just so delighted and humbled to accept this Excellence in Innovation Award. I mean, this is hard won, and look, I credit the amazing team that we've been able to establish here in Newcastle.
Yeah.
Our investors also from Newcastle, and some of our earliest customers, which gave us that initial start. So often we don't necessarily think about our customers, but as businesses in this region, having the customers that are going to support local innovation and local manufacturing is really key for that early journey. So, look, thank you so much to everyone. It's been an amazing journey, and I'm just so honoured that on behalf of SwitchDin that I can accept this award.
Great job, mate, and congratulations to SwitchDin. Looking forward to seeing what the future holds for you and your organisation. Well done. Enjoy.